This Italian almond cake recipe took me by surprise. I was not expecting it to be anywhere near this delicious. It's a sweet, dense cake with a nutty almond flavor and a hint of lemon. I really can see this almond cake as an after-dinner dessert, pair it with coffee, or even a breakfast treat. Seriously, I think this cinnamon streusel coffee cake will have to fight for its rightful place at the breakfast table. Hi, my name's Melissa and I'm the baker behind Whisking Up Yum. I love baking sweet things and empowering others to have fun in the kitchen too. If that sounds like your jam, hit subscribe and the bell button so you can be notified every time I come out with new recipes. And as always, don't forget to download your free recipe card in the video description box below. Oh, and if you're a fan of classic Italian dessert, you'll love zabaione, or zabaione. Sorry, I'm probably butchering up the pronunciation. It's a super sweet, boozy custard dessert that is fantastic when served with fresh berries. It's so good. We do this as a special Valentine's dessert or anniversary dessert every year. It's so good. I'll put the recipe link to both the coffee cake and the zabaione in the video description box if you'd like to check them out. All right, let's get baking, okay? You'll want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees, which is 163 degrees Celsius. In a medium bowl, you'll want to whisk together the flour, almond flour, baking powder, and salt. Set it aside. Then in a large microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter. Whisk the sugar into the melted butter until thoroughly incorporated. Go ahead and whisk in the eggs now. Next, add in the lemon zest, vanilla extract, and almond extracts. Stir this until it's well combined. Slowly add in the dry ingredients in several additions, being sure to incorporate all of the ingredients well between each addition. Pour the Italian almond cake batter into a prepared springform pan and level it off. To make this recipe, you'll want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 163 degrees Celsius. Sprinkle the coarse sugar on top of the batter and then spread the sliced almonds on top of the cake. You'll want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees, which is 163 degrees Celsius. Bake the cake for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can check to see if the cake is done by inserting a toothpick into the center of the pan. If the toothpick comes out clean, it is done. If not, bake it a little longer and test it again. Allow the cake to cool completely before removing the almond cake from the springform pan. If it sticks to the side of the pan, use a butter knife to go around the edges to release it. I know you'll love this Italian almond cake. So good. You're going to want to make it. I put a few recipes up on the screen that I know you'll love, so be sure to check those out too. Don't forget to get your recipe card in the video description box below and subscribe to the channel.